Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to separate name in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, all you have to do is select the data on what we want to separate. Here, we have a list of full names and we want to put the first name and the last name on the columns right next to it. Now that we've selected our data, go ahead to the Data tab and head towards the Data Tools group. Once we go and do that, let's click the text columns. A window should show up. Now, let's go ahead and choose Delimited as it is already defaultly activated by Microsoft Excel. By clicking on Next, we are being sent to another window. This time, we need to determine which delimiters we are going to separate the names with. Before we proceed, I will tell you what delimiters is. Delimiters are also known as separators in Microsoft Excel. They are the ones used to separate one data from another. Since our data is separated by space, let's go ahead and uncheck the tab and select space. A preview of our data should show up. Since we want to separate the first name from the last name, we've finally managed to do it. Let's go ahead and click Next. Now, let's leave the column data format in general for now. As for the destination, we want to change the destination because once we press Finish right now, it is currently said that it belongs to cell B3. If we press Finish, we are going to overwrite our previous data and we don't want that. To select a new destination, all you have to do is delete the original destination and select the empty cell beside our previous one. Let's select the first cell under the first name column. Once we do so, we can go ahead and press Finish. Just press OK. And there we go. We managed to get the first names and the last names separated in Microsoft Excel. You can just polish your data and we're good to go. And that is how you separate names in Microsoft Excel.